My name is Brad. I'm with the RC Supremacy, and meet my piece of dilapidated trailer build series. Shout out to my dad, but also what the man? You didn't tell me you were gonna drop this thing off in front of the house on cinder blocks with no fenders, no wheels, no tires, no flooring in this bit, freaking caved in roof. Come on, brother. It looks like I'm back at the RV spot living, man. Wife is pressing me, dude. Yes, nonetheless, we'll go ahead and introduce you to our RC Drift Hobby headquarter build with merchandise, potentially overnight camping, and also a lot of work in 100-degree weather build series. We're gonna go ahead and knock out a 3 to 4 part build series on this trailer that is absolutely gutted. It's a wreck, it's a nightmare. I didn't know what type of project I was taking on when it was brought up to me, but here it is on cinder blocks in front of my house. Yeah, we're gonna set this build off right. Let me give you a little backstory, soon to be introduced on all of our social platforms, but we're going ahead and we're doing something never been done on YouTube, and I don't think many people have done this in general in the RC drift scene, but this is us trying to bring the community together, trying to meet more of the community. We're going on a road trip, boys. We're going from Florida all the way to California, and from California all the way back, man. We're talking 10,000-mile road trip in this thing right here. So it's going to be suitable and purpose-built for RC headquarter, RC work, tinker, house chassis, house bodies, house a plethora of spare parts. In addition to some of the events that we go to occasionally, we'll be able to house merchandise. We'll be able to sleep in here, and we'll have an electrical system on board to charge lithium and take care of the small bit of load that we're going to need to power some of the things. So yeah, it's going to be very, very, very long and hot days. A lot of the time in which I'm not going to want to actually keep the camera in front of my face, and sometimes you'll see me throw the camera. So just stay tuned for all of it, man. You don't know what you're going to get, but let me show you guys. Let me give you a quick breakdown of what we're doing in this first episode. We're going to go ahead and literally cut out the half of the side of this wall. We're going to be installing a Vever concession window. I've had my eyes on a ton of pre-builts, and they are honestly the cream of the crop, top of the line, a ton of different sizes. So we're going to go ahead and yeah, risk and compromise the actual structure of this trailer and cut out the sides so we can put in and install a flip window. In addition to a small bunch of cuts, just showing you how we're not skimping anywhere on this build. We're going full force commercial grade products, RV, marine, and different topicals for certain parts of the build, and enjoy it. And let me know if you want me to pull up on your local spot, guys. Drift, the micro drift is in tow for sure. I'm bringing the vinyl mat and everything. It's got a place on this thing. Its home is here. So micro drift, 10 scale drift, I want it to come to you guys. So let's get right into the build, man. Shout out to Vever for your guys' great product and setting the tone on this build. Let's go. Actually, let me show you how much of a piece of this thing is. Sorry guys, I have to cut in here with the voiceover. Unfortunately, the clip had absolute trash audio. I'm just explaining that I shifted the window back 5 inches to avoid having to cut through a third stud, and we're going to go through 2 of them only and then reinforce with that 1-inch steel square tubing that you'll see here very shortly. Let's go! Another Home Depot trip, man. We're pulling some insulation this time. I got 1-inch boards, 4x8s, hefty per sheet. Also have some gaps and cracks and aluminum foil tape.
Alrighty guys, we're gonna make another sketchy cut. I don't know if you can tell, but I have the dimensions of our AC. We're gonna leave a little bit on the outside just for some wiggle room. But yeah, we went ahead and got a square line, which is that black Sharpied in line right there. I could probably dub this video the Amazon built trailer because everything here was purchased on Amazon. I'll run you through a few things just to this is just a kickstart the actual build here. We got a ton more that is off screen for future videos for the remainder in the series, and what we're just kind of starting off with in this first. So I do have some 12 volt wire. This is 16 gauge, I'm sorry, 12 gauge, 50 foot, couple LEDs that will be used for yeah, that's cute, buddy, real cute. But all right, guys, before that was thrown on the table, we have a couple switches, new license plate, rear brakes, our 30 amp, some puck lights, just a whole ton of things. We got more marking, some side markers for the fenders, and we got some new diamond plated, aluminum polish. They feel real good and light. And then, of course, you guys seen already the Vever window.